Welcome to the Ten Shop iChannel. Thank you so much for your support. We are now 10,000 more subscribers. We are looking forward to 20,000 subscribers. Please, if you haven't subscribed, just click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. Hey, tada. This is Novo 10 Shop iChannel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. We are here at FNB Stadium. Kaizer Chiefs 1, Makesi 0. Brother, how's it?
I'm fine, and yourself?
Good, man. Your thoughts on the game tonight?
As much as the Kaizer Chiefs winning the nebut, I'm disappointed kakhulu bakheje 2 makike chances. As much as singajabula ukuthi bawinile. Funa bahambe bo reflector babiyele drawing board. Bache ukuthi la chances laba wathola ko bangawaconverta njani. Because one akekho enough. Funa swine more than one.
More than one, yeah.
Yes, Chiefs is a big team to win by 1-0.
Yeah.
We need to chow.
Yeah. And who was your man of the match?
Hey.
For me, it's Lilope.
Yeah. Okay.
Kitof. No, mina ngithanda 42 bafowethu. Hayi ungena wachinja game. Shabalala. Ungena wachinja game. Siyabonga.
Number 1. No, siyabonga kakhulu. Congratulations.
Siyabonga. Danko.